See, you must be happy in life. Who said you that I am happy? Are you not happy? Not at all. What's bothering you, brother? Is this really a color? No one likes white. What places you use for your cousin? So are you not happy? Not at all. Let's go to the monk and seek its advice. Okay. Namaste Guruji. I do not like yourself. Please give me a chance. What do you want to become? I want to become a parrot. What color can you send? Green and red the parrot has. People have to have parrots as pets. Moreover, parrots can also talk, so make me a parrot. I will change you, but before that, both of you go to the parrot and meet him once.
ஒயர் ஏதாவது அழிச்சிட்டாங்களா? அந்த பக்கம் போனாலும் அரை ஒயர்ல கை வைக்கலாம். வெயிட் பா.
What a list! That's amazing. People thank you. They give you your name. How happy you are tonight? Who said that I am happy? Yes? Are you not happy? Not at all. What bothering you? My problem is my color.
மைக்கிட்ட பேசுமா?
Simple color. It is the same as the jungle. You searched me a long time, but you could not find me because of my color. You see? Let's go to the monk and seek its advice. Okay. Dear monk, please give me a chance. I want to become a peacock. What your amazing bird. What your feathers. What your color. We dance beautifully. People take photos when we dance.
மைக் ஆன் பண்ணு. உன் மைக் ஒர்க் ஆகலையா?
I will make you on, but before that, please go and meet the peacock. Wow, peacock! What an amazing hand God gave you. When you open your
ஒருத்தர் மறைக்காத நிலுமா. தர்ஷினி ஒருத்தர் பின்னாடி ஒருத்தர் ஜிக்ஜாக்கா நில்லு. 3 பேர் அப்புறம் சமமா போறீங்க. எல்லாரும்
when you open your tunnel, people staring at you. They take picture of you. They want to see you dancing. How happy you are. How amazing your life is. Who told you I am happy? Yes, it's a lot of troubles here. What troubles do you have? Friends, listen carefully. There is a sound. Can you hear it? Santa and killed the peacock. Every feather will be extracted one by one from his body and sell it. People will buy it and use it to decorate their house. Is it your life? Why do you want to become peacock? So, are you not happy? Not at all. Then who is the happiest bird in the world? You are the happiest bird in the world. Am I? How am I? Did you see anyone to sell crow feather or crow meat? No. Do anyone hunt you? No. Do you have troubles with anyone? No. Then who is living a great life? Me or you? Who is the happiest bird in the world? It's you, brother. It's you. Let's go to the monk and seek its advice. Okay. Dear birds, there is no one better than you. God has created another person like you. Believe it, everyone is unique in the world. Never ever compare yourself with anyone in life. Thank you so much. We understand. Thank you for your advice. God bless you all.
தொடர்ந்து நம்ம கிளாசிக் அமுதன் யூடியூப் சேனலை பார்த்துக்கிட்டு வாங்க. பயனுள்ள கல்வி சார்ந்த தகவல்களை தொடர்ந்து கொடுத்துக்கிட்டு வரேன். நம்ம சேனலை லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், குறிப்பாக சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.